Fun time! Toy reviews.
Hi, kids back home. This is a big giant egg.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Are you ready to say the magic words?
Yeah. Wow!
Wow, look at that.
It's Elsa.
Let's see. Yeah, and then we have Rainbow Dash
Yeah, it's Elsa.
and Littlest Pet Shop. Teenies, look at that.
Egg.
Wow. And now
You
let's
see
open.
I see
Yeah.
this.
Yeah, look at that. Applejack. Let's open the Littlest Pet Shop first, and then we'll do these two together. There you go. Ooh, let's see. They have Clubhouse, Theater, Park, a mystery LPS teeny pet. Ooh, what is that? Ooh, I can't wait to open that. Then a garden with a little pet. Look at that, it's a little froggy. Or is it? Yeah, it's a little froggy. All right, let's get this open. Oh, would you like to hold this?
Yeah.
Now do not open it until we're done opening the others. All right, look at that.
It holds up.
Wow, look at that. Okay, let's pick this one. You put this on, Child FunTime girl, and then give it back when you're done. And then we'll put this one together. Oh, look at that! Look how cute. Ooh. And then we can put a little. We can put it under here.
Put it in. Yeah.
Wow, you did.
Now you put
Let's
it
see. Ta-da. Oh, look, it's a bat and a cat. Oh, it looks so cute. Yeah. Look at that.
Sheep.
It's cute.
A cat and a sheep. A sheep and a cat.
Mm-hmm.
Costume.
It's in a costume, yes. There you go. And then here's a little ball. Purple ball. Yeah, so that
This
you
is a
can
ball too.
put them in. Yeah, but this one you can put it in. Take the little pet shop out of it, the costume, and you put them in and you can roll them
You
up.
can open it.
All right, I'll open it here. Can you open one? While I open this. Oh, see, I twist it. So you twist it on and it locks and then you twist it off. Ooh, may I have one of the little pet shops? Here you go. You can put them in. Here's the next one. Little dinosaur. These are pretty hard. Look at that, it's so cute.
This people get out. This people get out. You open this. You get this out.
Yeah, no problem. So let's see. You push it out because these are flexible. Oh, see, you just squeeze out. See how flexible?
Gimbals.
Please.
This is a
And then let's get the cost. Let's get. Oh, this one doesn't have a costume. This one has a little tea party. You think we can put them in here? Oh, we can! Ha ha ha! Look how cute. I don't think he should be in here. Ta-da. Oh, dee, 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 dee. Dee, dee. All right, here's a ball. And then here's a flower, and then a little chick. Look how cute her little bow is.
Moses. Moses. Please. Have that? Okay.
Yeah. There you go. And then here, if you want to put the ball in, you twist. Child FunTime girl, look. You click it on, and then you twist. Oh, look at that. And now you can collect them all in a little ball. That is so cute.
Oh, look, the sticks.
Oh, wow. Can I see that so I can show the boys and girls? Look what FunTime girl did. Oh, isn't that adorable? It's so cute. Ta-da. All right, let's go to the next one.
It's here.
These are pretty snugged in. Oh, look, a little tree and a little rooster, chicken, some type of bird. And I believe you put him in here. Look, he's so cute. Look at that.
Ooh, a bird.
Yeah. Oh, and here's a little doggy. And then a green ball. Look at that. Little hydrant. Let me put the doggy in. Oh, isn't that cute? Oh, uh-oh.
Drop his head.
Yes, I dropped it. And then you can put it in the ball. Let's put it in the ball so we can collect
How
them.
do I get this out?
And then you put them there. And click. Ta-da! Woo! There you go. And the last, yes, I can. Doop. There you go. It's open. You're welcome. And last but not least. Oh, this one's still tied too. There we go. Oh. Ask your parents for help, because this is pretty tough. All right. Look at that. The froggy in the basket. You want? Or you can click them in the little teapot. Look! Oh, that's a... Oh, it's on your hand. I'm wetting your hand. There you go. Here's the basket. Yes. Let's open one. Oh, there we go. Look at the lamb. Look at her bow. There you go. Now, let's open the surprise one. Do you want to open the surprise chain?
No, I don't know how.
Do you want to open the surprise ball?
Yes. Open it.
Oh, okay. I can open it then. Look at that. Ooh, what do you think it is? Ooh, okay, let's open it. Oh, wow.
What is it?
Oh, it's a green little panda. Cool. Well, it looks blue on the camera, which is very pretty. Isn't it pretty? Look.
I see it. You put it
Let's put the lamb
You put this in here.
into the cat costume. Look at that. Bat meow. Don't know which one to say. I can't wait to open Applejack.
Me too.
All right, and Rainbow Dash is next. All right, let's open this. And
Okay. Come on.
yeah, let's open this. Oh. Right, look at that. Comes with her tail and the other parts. Wow. Look at that. Okay.
You get mine out.
Yeah.
I get yours out.
Comes with the stickers too. Look how pretty the stickers are. Pop.
I have
Oh,
stickers.
look
Have ours that one.
how pretty she is.
Mine have ours too.
All right.
I have
So
one.
let's see. So it says on the instruction, design your pony. You snap it, pop it, style it, switch it. And there's the collections, and you can mix match them. So we're gonna do that too. Okay, let's get started. Okay, next is going to be her wings, and then her hair. I believe this will be her hair. And her tail. Let's do that. So we get Rainbow Dash. And snap it like this.
You get
Puzzle?
this out.
Yes, I can.
You see God's tails in
Here, can you hold her?
Yeah.
Take Rainbow Jack's hair, tail. Alright, here you go. And there's Rainbow Dash. Alright, let's do her hair. And snap it. What? She's rocking that mohawk out. And you can probably do it the other way. You can flip it and make it longer. Look at that one. Pretty cool. And let's get her tail. Snap it on there. What? Look at that. Look, and they stretch. You can just spread them out. And then her wings.
That's silly.
Look at that. She's rocking it out. Ooh, that's so pretty. So, let's see. Say we don't want this tail. So we take that off and we switch it to this one. Look how simple and pretty. Now that one's a good looking Rainbow Dash. Ooh. Okay, and then her hair, say we don't want this hairdo. We just put this
I want the hairdo.
and boop. Front like that. Took off her wing. And then there, she's flying. Woo. Too fast for us. And then her, and then if you don't want this tail and you want to match her hair, they have this. Wow, Applejack looks like a little bit of Rainbow Dash, doesn't she? Let's show the boys and girls. Look, she did. Look at that. That's so funny. Alright, and if you don't want the wings, you can always take them off and she can just look like a regular pony. Now let's put some stickers on.
Look at mine. You got my stickers.
Wow, you already put an apple on her? That's so pretty. Alright, we get these stickers. And these are instructions and other things you can do. Look at that. See how you can switch them? See how Applejack can be Rainbow Dash? Ooh, can't wait to try that. And other collectibles. Here are the stickers. Let's see. Let's see what we want to, you know, Rainbow Dash. Let's do a cloud. Let's do a little cloud. Put a little cloud right there. Isn't that very pretty? And a lightning right underneath the cloud. Boop. Ta-da. Look at that. And we can flip over and do her back. And we can do flowers. Right there. Oops. Right there. Very cute. And then another flower.
Applejack.
Wow, look at, can I show the boys and girls? Look at that. All the heart, little heart and apples. Oh, look at her beauty mark. So pretty. Here you go. And then
Applejack sticker you want to.
ta-da.
Applejack sticker you want to.
Oh, if you want, that's fine. Thank you.
Oops, I spelled Applejack sticker.
Applejack. So if I don't want the flower, let's put it on my, I can just put Applejack. But see, it's pretty big, so you gotta, we'll put it somewhere. Yeah, let's put it on there. Ta-da. We can always switch. So Applejack can take off her hair and tail and switch it. Yeah, whoa. There we go. Look at that. Look how pretty Applejack is.
Give me my Applejack.
Well, here's Rainbow Dash, and you decorate her. Take all the stickers off and put Applejack stickers on her. And see? And now we can just get Rainbow, and we can put this. See? And a couple, and then we can take these stickers off. See? And they're easy to come off. And you can always save them by putting them back on the sticker patch. And let's, oop, I did it backwards. Silly.
Silly mom.
Silly mom. Ta-da! And then you can still put an apple on her. Let's put it there. And then you can switch her tail. So if you don't like the rainbow and you want her to have a silly flower tail, there, so pretty. And then you can just switch back to her hair if you like. If I can do this, there you go. Ta-da! That's so much fun. Isn't this fun?
Oh, that's silly.
That's very silly.
We have a go.
Don't forget to subscribe and like our videos, and check out our other videos too.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.